Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Debit on Crypto, your go-to channel for everything related to cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and more. Today, we are going to dive into a detailed tutorial on how to deposit euros to your Binance account. First, let's talk about why you might want to deposit euro to Binance. Binance is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and depositing fiat currency like euro can help you quickly and easily purchase the crypto of your choice. Whether you are looking to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or an exciting new altcoin, depositing euro can be your first step. So let me now walk you step by step on how you can deposit fiat to your Binance account. This is the interface of Binance. This is Binance Lite. Binance have Binance Lite and Binance Pro interface. Binance Lite is more easier for beginners. Binance Pro is for advanced users. I don't know which area you find yourself as you are in Binance, but I'm gonna begin with this tutorial on Binance Lite. This is Binance Lite, but if say you wanna go to Binance Pro, go to the top left corner of your phone, click on it, and you're gonna see below Binance Pro. Click on Binance Pro. This is how it looks like. This is the interface of Binance Pro. This is how it is. It's more of you having advanced features like P2P, futures trading options. So everything that you can do on your desktop, you can do it on your phone using this Binance Pro. I'm going to show you how you can deposit money from Binance Pro and also from Binance Lite. So let's begin with Binance Lite. Let's go to Binance Lite, below Binance Lite, and now we are on the interface of Binance Lite. Click at the bottom, this two-sided arrow. Click on it. You're going to see buy crypto with euros, sell crypto to euro, exchange, deposit. Click on deposit, or you can click on buy. But if say you want you can click on buy or deposit. Let me click on buy. So with buy, it's gonna take us to which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Let's say for example USDT. You're gonna put the amount you want to buy in euros, 50 euros, then click buy. It's gonna take you to this area where you're gonna buy euros through Binance P2P. So this area is more of you buying euros through P2P or Google Pay. So let's say Sepa Instant is more of P2P. Google Pay, you're gonna use your card, but usually I'm gonna recommend you use wallet that's euro. So click on that. Click on wallet. I cannot click on it, meaning I have to use the other option. So go back and make sure you select deposit crypto, because in this case it's going to be difficult for you to go through. The easy way to do it is to go to deposit crypto, click on deposit crypto, and this interface will appear. You're going to see fiat. Choose the fiat you want to deposit. In this case we're going to use euros. Click on that, and this interface will appear. This is where you're going to start inserting the amount you want to put, or which method you want to use. In this case, we want to use bank transfer, Sepa. There are two Sepa here. We have open banking, Sepa. We have bank transfer, Sepa. We also have bank card, which is Visa, but this costs 2%. I always recommend you do bank transfer. You can do bank card if say you want the crypto urgently. In this case, we're gonna focus on bank transfer. Continue. So now you're gonna insert the amount you want to buy. Let's say for example you want to get 500 euros to your account, or 50 euros. You're gonna pay a transaction fee of €1. So whatever amount you want to transfer, you're gonna pay €1. Let's say you want to transfer $5,000, right, or euros. You're gonna pay €1 transaction fee. Let's say you want to transfer 50,000 euros. You're gonna pay €1. So whatever amount you want to transfer, you're gonna pay a fee of €1. So let's say you want to send, or you want to transfer 50 euros. You click continue. It will give you this section where you're gonna have all the details you need to do a transaction or a transfer via Sepa. Now you're gonna give you this referral code or this reference code. Make sure you use this reference code and insert the reference code at the message section or the comment section. The comment section is the message section, so don't go and put it at the reference number. they specify here that please include your reference code in the comment. Transfer with missing incorrect code will be rejected. So this is really serious. Don't go and send money without all this, without including this referral code. Now this is the receiver name, UAB Bifinity. This is the IBAN. If say your bank require the BIC, this is it. If say the bank require the bank name, this is it. And if say your bank require the address, this is it. So all the information you need to do a transfer, this you can find it on this page. And after you are done, you can go to your bank and copy all this. Like, it's easy, just click on copy. If say you want this, then take it to your bank, paste it there, then you do the transaction. After you are done, you can wait a little bit. Let's say it usually take 1 day, but usually when I do transaction, Sepa, it take 1 day. If I do it in the morning before 12 o'clock, I'm gonna get the money. Well, maybe it depends on where you live. Usually, that's why you don't have to rush. If say you are doing Sepa, you have to be able to wait. But if say you just want to buy crypto immediately, then you have to use the bank card section. So let's go to the Binance Pro so I can show you quickly how you can deposit euros using the Binance Pro. Now, when you open the Binance Pro interface, it's easy. Also, look at deposit on the interface, click on deposit crypto, and you're gonna see different options. The same way, click on euros, and the same page will appear. The same page that appear on Binance Lite is gonna appear. Then you follow the same procedure. So it's pretty simple, easy to follow, regardless which platform you are using. If say you're using the Binance Pro or the Binance Lite, only difference is after you have got money, it will be difficult for you to actually understand how to use the platform. That's why, as a beginner, I'm gonna recommend you use Binance Lite. So if say you have gotten your cryptocurrency, your euros, you want to convert it into USDT, all you need to do is go to this arrow here on Binance Lite, go to convert, click here and select euros. Euro will appear. So this is how you deposit euros to your Binance account. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful to you, do subscribe, share, like, comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out.